internet friends, happy new year and welcome back to my second project pan video that I've started already. This is going to be a rolling project pan where I'm going to have 5 items on the go and let's just see how many of them we can get through. So without further ado, let's check out what the items are. If you're new to my channel, this first item is not going to be a surprise and you're going to be quite familiar with it, and that is the D-Squared Bone Beige and Emphasized Compact. This was in my project pan last year and unfortunately we didn't quite make it through it. So our first goal of this year is to officially get rid of this guy. So as you can see, he's just got quite a good pan here on the highlighter side, but we got a lot of progress left to make on Bone Beige. So that's goal number 1. Goal number 2 is to fully get rid of the L'Oreal True Match Lumi. This is in shade N1-2. This is probably my oldest foundation I have in my collection, which is why I threw it in this project pan. So hopefully we can get rid of this guy and we can start trying out some new foundations. Just to also let you know, I did put a little mark here. This is currently where we are with this foundation, so I've barely used any of it, so we have a lot of progress to make. The next set of items are not makeup items. The first one is actually a perfume. Now, I think progress with perfume is going to be slow and hopefully steady just because I haven't been doing well with scents lately. They've been making me kind of nauseous, so this is something I'm going to definitely have to play by ear because it may not be something that I can continuously do. I may have to take breaks now and then, but some progress is better than no progress. So as you can see, I've kind of marked it right here and that is where we currently are. So there's about 2/3 of the product left, so there's quite a lot of progress to be made on this one. The last 2 items are skincare items and they are the Murad Pomegranate Energizing Pomegranate Cleanser. This is a foam cleanser. And then because it's not a project pan with me unless there's a mystery product. So essentially what happened is that this spray bottle is the best. This is the Murad Hydrating Toner spray bottle and it sprays perfectly. There's no there's no dense spots, there's no fallout. It's just a nice perfect light mist. So every time I have a toner that I like, it kind of goes in this bottle, and then essentially this bottle ended up being random bits of leftover toner that now make the mystery toner. So I just want to get through this. So I'm a toner junkie. I overuse it. I have too many. I love them. And I love this spray bottle, so I think it's definitely time to retire it, as you can see it's looking kind of gunky, but I still want to use up the product that's in there. So as you can see, we're right here right now. I know it looks a little bit less, but that's because I have the bottle kind of tilted. So we're right about here, so we've got quite a ways to go, but like I said, I use toner way more than a person probably should. I kind of drown myself in it, so I'm pretty sure we can go through this pretty quickly. And then as for the cleanser, we're all the way down here, so we actually don't have that much left to go on this one. So those are my 5 items for now. I have no idea what I'm going to be adding in when I end up using up a product, so I guess we'll kind of do that as we go. So stick around, cheer me on. If you're doing a project of your own, I'd love to know what you're trying to get rid of this year. So yeah, leave it in the comments below and hopefully we can help support each other, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!